up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for stopping by once again. And as you guys can see by the title of the video, this is a wig install tutorial. You guys, how I got this flawless beautiful baby up on this head, and I'm gonna take you guys through each step so that you can make sure that your wig stays glued on. Of course, ladies, I got you, and I need to make sure that you guys are slayed always. You already know you gotta turn up, you gotta look nice, you already know the vibes. Before we go anywhere, don't forget to hit on that notification button. Don't forget to subscribe and show your girl some love, you know what I mean? And of course, don't forget to tell a friend, because right here it is going down, baby. I mean, it's 2022, we gotta level up, we gotta have each other's backs, we gotta teach each other how to install our hair. Do y'all know how expensive it is to just go to like a hair place and have your wig installed? Like, I have been paying, and I'm just like, you know what, at this point, if I don't learn this skill, no one is going to teach me. And I'm here for you guys, and I want you guys to also learn, and that's why I'm going to take you guys through each and every single step. Without further ado, let's get straight into the video.
Okay, so the first thing that you're gonna do is basically pin down your wig on a wig head or wig stand, and then basically just brush it out. Put a little bit of water in the beginning and use a toothbrush. An old toothbrush is fine, and just comb all that hair to the back. Next up, you're gonna need a straightener. Then you'll need a heat protecting spray. I'm using the Tresemme one. All the products I'll be using will be in the description box below. Now you want to comb through it, and now you will use the Tresemme botanical treatment oil just to give it a bit of shine, which will help and aid in making sure that your wig is flawlessly stunning. Now again, you want to continue straightening the hair, and now we are about to place the hair on our heads. So you want to use the got to be glued product. I'm using these two products. Again, all the products will be in the description box below. You want to get yourself some wipes and make sure that as you go and apply the glue application, you are also wiping off so that you can remove the residue of the comb, so that you can remove the residue on your wig. Listen, at this point, the hairdryer is your best friend. This will help in making sure that your glue dries out quickly, especially if you've got somewhere to go and you're trying to speeden up the process. I also went ahead with some got to be spray, and again, you want to wipe, hair dry, and repeat. Now we're gonna be going on to make sure that our wig is in the same color as our skin texture. So I'm just gonna apply some powder on the wig and not foundation, ladies. For the application, you want to place the wig on your head, and you want to make sure that you take it easy. You apply section by section. I usually start with the front section and then I go to the side. I usually use my comb just to comb back the hair so that it's not gluing or sticking in the front of my wig. And again, hairdryer is your best friend. Wipe, and then you want to hair dry that hair down. Now, before we go anywhere, I need to make sure that this wig is placed properly and is sticking. So I'm going to be using my headband so that I can stick that glue in the front down. So make sure that it's pretty tight at this point. And then after you've done that, you just basically want to comb the rest of the hair back so that you've got that flawless finish. Now it's time to take it off and lay those edges, ladies. You need to have your edges laid. I mean, if not, what are you actually doing? After you've done your edges, you want to go ahead and use that got to be glued spray, hair dryer, and you're now going to use that headband again and stick it down once more. In the process of doing this, you want to let go of your hair. You want to comb it out for any hair that might be extra or sticking out, and you want to part your wig the way you would. I wanted to actually part it on the side, but I decided to part it in the middle. So at this point, you are actually just gonna use your got to be glue and your comb to make sure that that hair, wherever you've parted it, is laid down like a pro. And after that, you will use your hot air comb, and you're just gonna basically move the hair in the front to the back so that when you remove your headband, it looks something like this. I mean, what do you even mean? We're almost at the end of the video, so you're just gonna wipe off the residue, and this is the final product.
Well, we are unfortunately at the end of the video, and if you got this far, that means you have learned a thing or two. And I'm sure that you guys are so excited to be trying out this wig install yourselves. Let me know in the comment section how it goes. Alternatively, you can follow me on all my social platforms, and they're right on the description box down below. And I can't wait to see all of you on my Insta, TikTok, Facebook, Twitter, wherever you are, girl, your girl is there as well. So make sure you follow the good sis, and of course don't forget to hit on the subscribe button. Until next time, bye. Go, shawty. It's